So as you can see, this is the sketch that we had created in our last session. So now let's move on to dimensioning this sketch. So to dimension this sketch, first we had to have knowledge of what is the dimension for the width and the height. For that, what you can do, you can refer to the technical document that I had attached with this course. You will be able to find that document, that PDF, into the course description. Also you can find it in the design approach section. I had attached that PDF for you. So here you can see, if I will just, here is the tool inside create panel, there is a sketch dimension tool. So this is the only tool that you can use to dimension your sketches inside Autodesk Fusion 360. So just activate this tool. You can activate it from here as well. Also you can use the keyboard shortcut D on your keyboard. That I will never recommend. Always try to activate it from here or from this tool panel. So I will activate this sketch dimension tool. Here you can see the tool got activated. As you can see, with my cursor there is a small dimension icon attached to it. So now if I want to dimension this line, what I can do, I can just click on the line and will drag outside like this. So here you can see I got a new window to input the dimensions that I want to create. Right now it is 78.33 something. So if I want to change it to our exact dimension, that is 69, so I will just input that number from my keyboard, 69, and will press enter like this. Here you can see the moment I had pressed enter, the size of the object automatically got updated. In the similar manner we'll do on the other side, because this blue line shows that we need one more dimension to define this complete rectangle. So I will select the other side and will drag outside like this, and on this direction if you want 40, so we'll write 40 and we'll press enter. So you can see the moment we had provided both the dimensions, then we can just press escape to come out of the sketch dimension tool, and as you can see the sketch got completely black. And this means that now our sketch is completely defined, completely constrained, and that you can verify from your sketch folder. If you will just expand your sketch folder, here you can see the sketch that we had created is completely defined, and this small red lock icon verifies that. So whenever you will able to see this small lock icon over here, this means that you cannot add any more dimension to your sketch. Or if you try to add any more dimension to your sketch, it will tell you that, it will give you a warning that it is overdefined. Here you can see whenever I try to add some extra dimension, it is simply saying me that this dimension, the sketch will be over constrained. So we do not want to do that, right? Since we had already provided all the parameters needed to define this sketch. So this is the way that you can use to dimension your sketch tool. Also let's learn about the more features. For example, if we have any circle and if you want to dimension this circle, how we can do that? Just same manner, same process, activate your sketch dimension tool, select your entity and drag outside, and it will automatically detect that whether your sketch is circle or rectangle. Since it's a very intelligent software, you don't have to worry about AutoCAD. Similar to AutoCAD, like for the linear dimension you have to specify different command, for circular dimension you have to specify different command. It's in Fusion 360, there you don't have to worry about those things. It's completely automated, it's completely automatic. It will automatically detect whether the object is circular or rectangular, and then you just have to input your dimension. In this case, if I want to put the diameter as 50, I can just write 50 and will press enter. Here you can see the moment I had pressed enter, the size of this circle just got updated. Also these sketch dimensions are just for your app to control the size of your sketch. So you can move with this dimension anywhere in across your design space, just so you will be able to read it properly. So you can keep it according to your preference, according to your comfortability, so it will be easy to read for you. So here you can see I can just click on the sketches and I will be able to move its position anywhere across the space. Also, if you want to update any of the dimension, for example, if I want to make this 60, so what you can do, you can just double click on the dimension and it will again go back to edit mode. Then you can just input the new dimension and will press enter, and it will automatically get updated the moment you will press enter. And also in the design timelines, here you can see this is the first sketch that we had created, so you will be able to find that sketch on the design timeline as well. So here you can see, this way you can use the sketch dimension tool to define your objects, to put proper dimensions, to constrain your objects. So you can use this sketch dimension tool from here. I told you you can activate it also using the keyboard shortcut key called D. Also you can activate it from here. So whatever is your preference way, you can do that. So this was all about sketch dimensioning inside Autodesk Fusion 360 guys. Thanks for watching.